Today, the Illinois Accountability Commission held a hearing about ICE operations in Chicago last year, and one of the witnesses today was Marimar Martinez, the woman who was shot 5 times by a federal agent. The 31-year-old Chicagoan is an American citizen who was quickly labeled a domestic terrorist by the Department of Homeland Security right after that shooting. But when video contradicted the officer's claims that she ran them and they were boxed in at the time, all of the criminal charges against her were dropped. And today, she told the commission that she's sharing her story for her community.
Honestly, I don't want to do this. I don't. It's hard. Like, just to relive this is hard. Just talking about it, it's hard. But I'm doing it not just for me. I'm doing it for my community, for those kids, that anybody that's living in fear, honestly, because we're going through some dark times.
Now, Martinez appeared with her lawyer, who has filed a lawsuit against the agent that shot her and his supervisors. And again, though the federal government dropped the criminal charges against her, her lawyer says the agents covered up what really happened in Brighton Park back on October 4th.
Her car, to this day, is still in FBI custody under lock and key, which is where his car should have been. But for reasons unknown to us, Agent Exum was given his car back the same day, and he ends up driving it all the way across the country back to Maine, where he came from. And conveniently, he ordered the in-house Border Patrol mechanic, yes, apparently they have in-house mechanics, to, quote, buff out all of the scratches that would have been there, that would have allowed our expert to examine and prove that he actually swerved into her.
Now, you may not be familiar with the Accountability Commission. It was set up by Governor Pritzker to document parts of Operation Midway Blitz that may have broken the law. It is important to note that the people who appear here, they're not under oath, and there is no one from DHS appearing in front of this panel to talk about the incidents. But the governor says this is a step toward accountability.
When there is a Congress that is controlled by people who want to investigate here, we have done the investigations. We will hand all of that over so that it will be part of the record, and we'll have the ability to, again, hold the people responsible.
And we did reach out to DHS to get their reaction to the commission and the testimony we had here. So here's the statement they sent us. Quote, Governor Pritzker continues to refuse to do his job to protect his citizens from illegal alien crime and instead chooses to smear our law enforcement. Where is his investigation into his own policies that allowed Sheridan Gorman's killer to be released from jail to go on and commit her heinous murder, unquote. Now, the governor will get the report from the Accountability Commission on Thursday, and the commission chairman said today that cases will be referred to the Cook County State's Attorney's Office. It's not clear, though, if the office will act on any of those recommendations.